question was about the very same location, which says illegal land filling and destruction of mangroves near Kharasako. नेचर बाबा तो आमचो जोक करून दवरला मरे पंचायतीन नेचराचो. In that question I had clearly asked, you all tell me why you all have dumped, who has dumped. You all give me brief, no? If someone all cannot be like army about the constitution. Next question was request for fertilizer distribution list. Recently, in the current Santa Cruz Panchayat, they had distributed fertilizers to the farmers. In that also, they have scammed in the sense they have looted the farmers. The backbone of India, the farmers who grow food for us, are being looted. And I have provided proof for that, going to the particular person who has provided fertilizers and various things. त्याच्याबद्दल उलय म्हटल्यार हे उलोवपाक सोदना. Next question was, if you go from Santa Cruz to Batlem near that Mansher circle, that whole stretch, that new development has been done of footpath. On the east side of that road, there is a gate. Doni sidin is Khazan land hai. Khazan landak tekon bhitar sarpak gate gatla. There was some old case where someone wanted to develop, people went over there, opposed it, stopped it. Now in that same Khazan, the entrance they have put a gate. So I was asking them if the panchayat has given them permission. They just had to say yes or no. Why they have to be like section 6 and here and there? This is misuse of power. एंका माथ्यार चढला पावर. ते म्हणतात पळय ते शेर को खून की लत लग गई है, तशें एंका पावर की लत लग गई है. इतलेच बाकीचे क्वेश्चन.
तुम्ही पुढे कितें अपील करतले डायरेक्टर पंचायत
पळय आनी एक सांगता तुमकां,
हे रिजेक्ट केला.
हो जो पॅनल आसा पळय, हे पॅनलाचे सरपंच आसा पळय, सरपंचाचेर FIR रजिस्टर जाल्ली आसा. FIR कित्याक रजिस्टर जाल्ली आसा? हे जे गार्बेज लेबर्स जे आसा पळय आमचे, हेंचे मी पैसे खाताले, दर म्हयने बसून पैसे खाताले. हेजे विथ प्रूफ. देर आर मेंबर्स, the people who have signed the resolution. There is the sarpanch and the other members of the panchayat who have signed the resolution are part of this act. So these people are unfit to even hold a Gram Sabha meeting over here because there is a FIR registered on them. They cannot be here sitting and taking a Gram Sabha. They have to be dismissed from their post and a proper investigation has to happen because त्यांचेर FIR register जाल्ली आसा already. The sarpanch and the other members. पयली हेंका भायर काडा, प्रॉपर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करा, मागीर फुडले स्टेप्स. हे आता कितें म्हाका करूंक जाय जाल्यार पुलीस पळोवंक जाय, पुलिसांनी हे करूंक जाय सारकें.
तुजी रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन थोडक्यान सांग. व्हॉट वर यू ट्रायंग टू गेट आउट ऑफ द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन? तुवें नीती आयोग म्हणले तेजे फॉलो हे हा.
सो नीती आयोग इज अ फ्रेमवर्क यू कुड से फॉर द डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ वेरियस थिंग्स इन अ विलेज. हे जो आमची जो पंचायत हा, एवरी टायम डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा आनी गटर फुटपाथ पेवर्स हेच करता. अरे डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणल्यार कितें? फक्त गटर आनी पेवर्स बांदपाचे, बाकीचे काय ना. डेव्हलपमेंट हॅज टू बी इन टोटल. गटरां बांदून हें जायना. आनी ते गटरां सुद्दां बांदूंक जाय तुमकां. यू नीड अ कॉम्प्रिहेन्सीव मास्टर प्लॅन डन इन QGIS. So after that comprehensive master plan is done based on data. पाऱ्यार करप आसना काय, डेटा घेवन करप आसता. ही बेश्टीच करता मरे.
हे कितें कंप्लायन्साक धाडलेले हितून पंचायतीक धाडलेले सेंट्रलान कंप्लायन्स करपाक. नाव यू आस्किंग बिकॉज यू आर डिमांडिंग दीस आन्सर्स. वॉज देयर अ कंप्लायन्स रिपोर्ट डेट वॉज डिमांडेड फ्रॉम द पंचायत टू बी सेंड टू नीति आयोग?
They must have never done it.
But has it come as a notification or something?
That they have to do?
That they have to do?
See,
is it compulsion, is it directive or is it
I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to research about it. But as a developing country, as a developing state, as a developing village, we need to, in the end, go to all these things and develop our state and our village and every part of our country. So it has to be a thing in their head, right? Any person who is in the panchayat, who is governing the system should know it.
Are you satisfied with the answers given to you?
I'm not at all satisfied. Everywhere, you all must have also heard me saying all these questions. No. You all have a master. The first question they are saying, gutter kela fakta develop kai karunga. That means they don't have a master plan. That means they don't have anything of the rest. everywhere they are saying no, no, no. They are not telling me how they will go ahead also. So as a head of the village, the Sarpanch is not come because she has a FIR, I guess. That's why she doesn't have the face to come over here. So as the head, if they are there here, they should know all these things.
One last question. They shared a list with you. You said it is only public list, no private list was shared. So
See,
what is this? What list that is demanded?
This list says development works only. In this, provide RCC slabs, installation of pavers, construction of drain, construction of step, and providing
No,
fixing
we
lines.
got that. Everybody got that. But you said it is only public works,
Yeah.
no private works. So you're talking about PPP works, or what kind of?
So now when you are making a master plan, you need to know what development is happening, how many buildings. For example, I will tell you all, in Al Santa Cruz Valley View Colony, there is a huge building coming up. For that huge building, there will be multiple flats. So all those people will require water. So to provide them water, we should know if we have the amount of water available for us. Without that, how can you let anyone the construction license? That is not allowed, right? You should know की बाबा आमच्या विलेजाची ती कॅपॅसिटी आसा काय ना. बेस्ड ऑन दॅट यू कॅन गो अहेड.
तुमचे नाव कितें?
माझे नाव आदित्य परुळेकर. आय एम अ रेसिडेंट ऑफ सांता क्रूज.
This time, our proposals were not taken. It was.
नाव सर.
My name is Lerina Fatima Raujo. My proposal was rejected just the previous day, sending at 4:30 saying that proposal is not accepted. म्हजे प्रपोजलान हांवें मागलेले ग्रामसभाक कितलो इनकम आनी एक्सपेंडिचर इनकट केला फॉर दिस फायनान्शियल इयर विच वॉज नॉट टेकन. Then I had asked what is the pending development. Almost a year is getting over. What is the pending development remained which is to be taken up? They include करूंक ना. मागीर setback आसता पळय when anybody पंचायतीन construction license दिता setback कितलो आसता एक 2 different properties. So that was not taken. Then I had asked if they take the inspection, site inspection when any license, new license is given. That also was not taken. Then I had asked, there are many show causes, one of which माझे complainants and tenka ilele show cause. So what are the steps they are taking when any show cause comes? Now the accidents are taking place on the Gujira highway. That also was one of my point because it is a part of Santa Cruz village where so many accidents are taking place. अहे तो रस्तो आतां हायवे पूच जाल्लो आसा. ओन्ली वी रेजिडेंट्स कम टू नो थिंगा एक्सिडंट जाता आनी आदल्या टायमार सगळो आसलो तो हायवे. सो वी यूज टू रन एंड वी यूज टू हेल्प दोज हुएवर इज मेट विथ एन एक्सिडंट. आतां अहें आता की वयल्या वयर एक्सिडंट जाता तांकां कोणाक पावूय ना. दीस इज ऑल एक्चुअली नेग्लिजन्स जो पळय तेणी परमिशन्स हीच वायलेट करून हायवेज पास केल्या आनी हें केला. So this is somewhat Panchayat is also responsible for all these things. They just cut paste for आमची 4 जाणांची. Same reason. The office of village panchayat have received your proposal. The same was placed in a special meeting of the village panchayat held on 14 November. Upon going through the said proposal, it is found that none of the contents of the said proposal falls within the abide of the section, a bit of the section 6 of the Goa Panchayat Raj Act 1994. The contents of the said letter are basically seeking information, some of which is available with the office of the village panchayat, which the members can obtain by an application to the information officer, or alternatively, if it is pertaining to the other office, then the same can be applied from the respective government office. This reply was given for 5 offers.
Given to me also, given to it was all cut copy paste.
Yes,
If you have a proposal and I have a separate proposal, she has a proposal, my response will be totally different. But here it's just cut copy paste. And I have done all my groundwork with RTI. I have got all my RTI. Based on my RTI, I am asking the question. That is what I am asking. That also they don't want. So when
And
you have
I would-
RTI, then what do you want to have Gram Sabha for?
And I would say maximum time whenever we have put any RTI, never Santa Cruz Panchayat has given before 30 days. It is always crossed. When the cross period comes, we apply it to the video. No, video.
And they said direct a panchayat because there are 30 days, within 30 days you have to apply as a complaint. It is before the direct panchayat, not video. And then it goes on tarikh pe tarikh over. Now Elsa's and Mariano's case is going on in High Court for the past now 8 months.
तुझे questions किधर आने?
I put very simple question. Okay, explain what is the RTI Act. Now why I said RTI Act, why you have to explain to me? Because when I applied under RTI, the deputy sarpanch calls me at my house and saying, why have you applied for RTI? I said, are you the PIO? You have
But
got
now
no
that
right.
RTI, how they will explain in a full Gram Sabha time?
No, it's very simple. There are only 4 sections, 4-5 sections. In that 4-5 sections, you can cover it up.
RTI Act आपको book हम.
No. I can show you it's only about 4 or 5 sections, the very important sections. We asked them that. Here is what the deputy sarpanch is calling in my house and saying, why are you applying for RTI? Withdraw your statement, withdraw. And the worst is, he takes the photograph of my application and he circulates in the whole village. Now what's the use of having a secretary and a PIO?
Any more questions were there?
I asked also about when they were put about that they have registered one complaint with the old Goa police station between Eslinda and Aditya. If they use derogatory remarks against the sarpanch, Dominic also was there. He also told the same thing. When he told him to go to hell, when he told the sarpanch go to hell, is that not derogatory? Is it not made in the public domain? So why not file a complaint against Dominic, but is filing a complaint against the other members? Is this not bias decision? And the third point which I put over there was also which I received under RTI, and they only gave me the RTI. Now I had asked very pertinent question last time about the village child committee, and in that village child committee I asked now, who are those people names who have been selected? Inform the people. Simple question, simple. You want to read the names out. What I have found out, why they don't want to read that thing is because one of the panchayat members was in UK. Okay, she was not present for the meeting, that selection. And after some time, I see that the panchayat member has signed over there. When you are in UK, how can you sign over here? So I wanted a clarification. Only a clarification. The secretary will say, okay, I'm sorry.
For the case fraudulent signatures.
It is not fraudulent because it's her signature. I know it's her signature.
She's in UK, Mandala.
Yes, she was in UK, but then
How can she
that's correct. I've got the RTI. I can show you right now if you know.
No. So, was there any fraud done on the books of the government?
Now that how I will know because they do it in the office. So I asked the secretary, no, it's my mistake. I said, okay, your mistake, no. Inform the Gram Sabha members. If it's your mistake, clarify your that also they have rejected. This is what I asked them.
So far in the panchayat, how many developed work is done or improvement in the
That is what we
panchayat is
asked
done?
them.
Yeah, we are
You
after
don't not
that
giving
same
us-
thing. We want the
Today also
development.
you saw over there.
They're not
Same
doing
thing.
They are not
not
ready to give out the
Okay, I
development.
just want to say, I'm Eslinda Gonsalves from Ward Ubodandon, okay?
Questions and kita reject.
Oi. I had put my resolution in front of the panchayat for today's Gram Sabha meeting. Majir आणि आदित्याचेर complaint घातलेले by the sarpanch and the secretary. So तेणी ते पुलीस स्टेशनार घातले ओल्ड गोवा आनी मागीर तेणी डायरेक्ट केले म्हाजेर FIR करूं की हांवें मायक ओडलोलो म्हणून द ऑनरेबल MLA मिस्टर रुडोल्फ फर्नांडीस. ओके ह्या हेचेर हांवें म्हाजें रेजोल्युशन घातलें की हे म्हाका डिस्कशन जाय in front of the Gram Sabha meeting. In this context and with regards to the public interest, as the incident was uploaded on social media which took place before the Gram Sabha, kindly explain to the Gram Sabha members under the section IPC section 500, 186 and 268. Okay, now it is converted to sections 356, 221 and 270 Bharatiya Niyam Sanhita. Okay, आता हें कितें जालां तेणी म्हाजें रेजोल्युशन पास करूंक ना. ओके, पूण हांवें आतां हिंगा पॉयंट घातला कित्याक तेणी रिजेक्ट केला पळय तें कांय आन्सरा ना. सो ग्रामसभा मिटींग कित्याक तेणी हेल्ड केल्या आमकां उलोवपाक दिना आमचें रेजोल्युशन रिजेक्ट करता सो तेणी करूंकूच उपकारना आतां सोशल मिडियाचेर म्हाका कितले फोन कितले म्हाका विचारता हें कितें जालां जाल्यार FIR म्हाजेरूच हे पब्लिकाक कळपाक जाय हिंगा कितें जाता पळय तें फाल्यां कोणूच उलोवपाक ना ग्रामसभा मिटिंगेक भितरलो येवपाक सो दीस इज इनजस्टीस एंड आय फील दीस ग्रामसभा मिटींग इज लायक ओनली स्पीचीस बाय देम नथींग एल्स
Thank you so much.
Thank you.